problems on your Xiaomi phone? A simple way to fix this is by resetting your access point names back to default. This helps a lot if you've changed settings yourself or moved to a new carrier. I'll guide you through the steps quick and easy. Start by opening the Settings app, then tap on Mobile Networks. Select your SIM card. Now inside the SIM card settings, select Access Point Names. The screen shows all your saved APNs. Tap Reset over here. Your phone will now reload the original APN settings provided by your carrier. The active APN should be automatically selected, but if it's not selected, just choose your SIM card from here. It will glow when it's selected. After this, restart your mobile data by turning it off and on. And that will do. Now you know how to reset the APN settings on your Xiaomi phone to fix mobile data problems. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more simple Xiaomi phone tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.